There is nothing worse for digital businesses than not understanding your users and doing your marketing in blind. Welcome to Plerdy, a powerful suite of SEO and SEO tools that help you increase the conversion rates, grow your organic traffic, and improve your website usability to make it as comfortable as your couch. Let's start with a Heatmap, a tool used by UX specialists and marketers to identify how your users engaged with your website. First of all, you are able to choose a specific period of time and to add some filters to access the data you're most interested in. Here below, you will see 3 graphs with the most critical information about total amount of clicks, sessions without clicks, and sessions that were only on one page. Down here, we have a table and a list of all of the pages of your website. You're able to access the Heatmap directly from here. The Heatmap will be open in the new page, and you will see the hotspots with the number of clicks that have been made for this specific element. If you hover on this hotspot, you will see also the sequence of the clicks. In the menu on the right side, you're able to add the same filter options, the device type, date, user groups, traffic source, sequence, and countries. You can see the clicks in numbers, but also you can see the attribution of those clicks. You can see the hot segments, and the hotter is the segment, the higher is the click-through rate for this specific section of the website. You can also access the scroll apps to see how far down users scrolled, how interesting it was for them to check the whole information on your web page. This is specifically useful for blogs, for website articles, and other long-form content to see where users lost their interest and what can be improved. For the clicks, one more interesting thing here is that you can also track the clicks on dynamic elements like pop-ups, sliders. For example, here we have the menu bar, and if we click on the menu inside, we have a few more options, and we are able to see the data about clicks inside this menu. So Plerdy is tracking the clicks on dynamic elements. All of this data can be used to improve conversions on your website, to improve the content quality of your website, and to identify if there are some UX errors, design mistakes on your web pages. Let's now move to the next tool, which is forms and feedback. It allows you to create different kind of forms on your website with different goals, actually. First, the forms, email and phone collection forms, allow you to gather the contact details to grow your user list, your email list, and also to get information about your leads to nurture them in the future. Then we have the survey. The survey form can be used to ask your customers, your visitors, some questions about your product or your website in general. The promotional pop-ups are a good way to boost conversions, to offer something to your customers. We also have the Net Promoter Score and the feedback forms, which can be used for evaluating how satisfied are your users with their experience you provided for them. Wheel of Fortune is a good kind of form for e-commerce stores or for some other businesses that can offer some prices for the users. You can also ask for some contact details in turns for this price. We have a form with video. You can record a short video and to ask some question or to provide some information for your website visitors. Custom banner is also a good way to promote some kind of special offers on your website. And we also have a form constructor. This is an opportunity to create a form you want with any number of fields, basically everything from scratch. Inside these forms, you will have the opportunity to choose what kind of form, description, fonts, colors you want to choose. So everything is 100% customized. It is up to you. You can also choose when and where to show this option, where to place it. Interesting thing here is that we have a page exit intent here, so you can create a form which will be shown for users who are about to leave your website. And all you need to do in that is just save this form, and you will see the list of your forms, the information about submission, and you can also send this information to any other kind of CRM system you are using. So all of the leads can be stored in your CRM as well. Next powerful tool is SEO Checker. This instrument allows SEO specialists and marketers to stay on top of the SEO changes on their website, to see the SEO health score of the website and other SEO data in real time. Also, what's important here is that Plerdy is analyzing the pages of your website and the SEO data for mobile and for desktop. And you're able to open the SEO reports here to see the most important meta tags, if everything is in order for your website. You can also analyze the content, the relevance, see the duplicates, and in the end get the SEO health score. But the bad thing about SEO Checker is that it has an integration, very easy integration with Google Search Console. And on top of this general information that is also available in Google Search Console, you get a report about missing keywords on your web pages. And it allows you to identify what keywords should be added to your content in order to increase the organic traffic for your website. Of course, you should always pay attention to relevance. But in general, the keywords that are in red in this report, those are the missing keywords, missing opportunities. So you can take them and add some new sentences and new paragraphs to your website to increase the organic traffic. Next thing is conversion tracking. You can easily create events. Here is the instruction for creating those events. Basically, you can track any specific click on specific elements, buttons, forms on the website. You can send these events to Google Analytics with just one click. But you will also see the information and the statistics for these events in your Plerdy account. We also have the macro conversions. And macro conversions, they can be added for purchases on your website. And here, to set up this conversion, you just need a URL for this conversion, exact match or contains. We have also a special tool for all digital businesses that sell something through their website. This is a sales performance tracker. Sales performance tracker is easily integrated with Shopify and WooCommerce, and this gives you some insights into the impact of specific elements of your website on the revenue generated. You will see the same heat map, but this heat map will be not like heat map, but the information about revenue generated by specific element of your website, what impact this element has. This helps you in your marketing strategies, helps to see what is working, what is the role of specific elements added to your website. And also for the conversions, you can set up a funnel here. In the funnels, you can add steps to check what is the customer journey on your website, and to identify on which steps your users dropped off. That would mean that there is something wrong on this step, and you need to to pay more attention to this specific page. and analyze what is going on there. And the last thing is session replays. The recording of the interactions of the user sessions. You can set up some rules here to track not all of the sessions, but only the most important sessions. Store them, watch them, and see specific patterns, specific behaviors on your website. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and now you know a bit more about Plerdy. Take care, bye bye.